Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bitget coupon. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So what we need to do first here is we first have to log in into your account. So go to the official website of Bitget, and in this case, log in into your account. Now once logged in, as you can see right now, I am in my dashboard. So what we need to do next is we need to go to our coupon section at the left side here. So once you click on it, you should be able to see all the coupons that you have on your account. As you can see, most of my coupons in here are currently expired, but if you've recently created an account, this is where you'll be able to start using them. Now in this case, you'll see a use or claim you coupon here. If you want to use it, just click on that button and you'll be able to start using it. Now, just some information on how to use coupons here. So the coupon is applicable to offset transactions, fees, and spot margin and futures trading, but does not cover withdrawal fees. Now, for specific details, you need to consult the information provided with your coupon. Now, when both BGB discount and coupons are utilized, priority will be given to the usage of coupons, and the BGB discount will not be activated in this situation. Now, it is also not possible to combine multiple coupons for a single transaction, and the coupon's percentage and amount determine the deduction of transaction fees, ensuring it does not exceed the total value specified by the coupons. Now, in this case, that's how you start using your coupon in Bitget. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.